Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Pipio, a text-to-video platform that you can create an AI avatar. So some of the other competitors out there I can think of right now is Synthesia, where you can use a AI avatar. And then you put in the prompt, you put in the script, and then it will generate the text to speech for you. And of course, with this solution, you can see the AI avatar going to speak. You can see their lips are moving according to your script. So it's a very cool feature. And let's just take a look at the website. So Pipio, normally I like to see how many sort of like traffics are they getting. So if we can just have a look, looks like they are getting lots of traffic in the month of February. I think this is the reason because they're on AppSumo. It's a very popular choice right now. So I'll talk about the pricing stuff later in the video, but let's just go through their website. So how would this actually work? So all you have to do is put in the script, and then Pipio is going to generate that in basically any sort of language that's available here. So we'll click on the screen.
वीडियो के भविष्य में आपका स्वागत है.
Ndiyawamukela ukusasa levidiyo.
All right, so it's not playing too good. Maybe it's my computer or for some reason. So we'll skip that. So it looks like the platform is pretty easy to use. All you have to do is just pick your AI avatar, and then select the voice, put in the script, and then allow it to generate. And within the video editor, you can put in like backgrounds, objects, text. So I think it's really easy to use. So I'm going to log inside the portal and show you how that looks like. I'm inside the dashboard right now. So very easy to use. It's going to show you your project dashboard. You can create different folders for different projects. So I'll hit create project again. So right off the bat, they're going to tell you choose your actor. And let's scroll down how many actors they have. It looks like, so for this particular lady, you're going to get this with the sort of formal outfit. This one will be in casual. This one sort of with the mid body. So it's not really just the headshot. So you can see these are just like a more close up. A bit more with the body. Some of these only have just the head. And these ones are like different outfits, casual, formal. I wouldn't say the lighting is the best. I've tried out Synthesia, and I think the AI avatar's sort of image quality is higher. But I think further down the line, they will keep on adding new avatars on this platform, and probably they will improve their sort of image video qualities on the avatars. But let's just use some sample scripts for now. So now I'm inside the Bing AI chat. I'm going to create a sample script. So I'm going to put in a bit more word. Write me a YouTube script for choosing the right robot vacuum cleaner. And this is different. You can see this is sort of indented or in a different text format. So I'll pause this video and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got the script from Microsoft Bing, and we're going to paste the script inside Pipio. So what we can do is just paste this, and it's really easy to use. So if you want to choose the different speech editor, the AI voice, so just click on the left hand side on the voice, and you can sort of going through all the different languages, either male or female in the style. So we'll choose English for this demo. We can choose a lady. And notice there is this logo. So it's a premium Well-Said Labs voice. And the ones that doesn't have this particular Well-Said Labs logo, I think their voice is not going to be as good as the one from Well-Said Labs. So we can hear a few different samples.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like. Type or paste your script to get started.
I think Synthesia is also using Well-Said Labs for their AI voice because I've seen a lot of Synthesia video and that particular voice is really familiar. So let's try out Anna.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like. Type or paste your script to get started.
Yep, I think that's the exact, the default voice for Synthesia I've heard before. So you can see this one's for narration, this one's for conversational, so there are different styles and tones.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like. Type or paste your script to get started.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like. Type or paste your script to get started.
I have to say the Well-Said Labs voice is actually pretty good. I might just do another video just on Well-Said Labs. If that's something you'll be interested, please leave a comment down below. So let's try out some male voices.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like. Type or paste your script to get started.
This is a preview of what your actor's voice will sound like. Type or paste your script to get started.
Again, I think these voices are actually pretty good. So let's say we're happy with this voice. So all we have to do is just click on this, add voice, and you can see this changes immediately. So because we've got sort of 4 to 5 different paragraphs, so on the right hand side, we can generate another scene. And let's say if we do want the same actor, we can just hit the button here again. And let's say if you want to be changing the size. So for example, you just want her to be on the corner. You can drag it to where you want it to be. And I'm going to select my second paragraph, put it in. So you can hit the play script and it's going to generate that voice for you. So let's play it out.
First of all, you need to think about the size of your house and the type of flooring you have. If you have a small house or apartment, you might want a compact and nimble robot vacuum that can fit into tight spaces and corners. If you have a large house with multiple rooms and floors, you might want a robot vacuum that has a large dustbin capacity and a long battery life. You also need to check if the robot vacuum can handle different types of flooring, such as carpets, hardwood floors, or tiles. Some models are better suited for certain surfaces than others.
So if you're putting in like a video, then probably you want to be putting in some sort of backgrounds. So on the left-hand side, you can look at the backgrounds. You can search for photos or videos, and you can see these are stock images from Pexels. I think these are just the free images they provide to you. It'll be good to see if they actually use paid versions. I think they're only using free versions. I guess that's because the pricing that they can allow is just the free tier. So let's say we're doing the vacuum cleaner video. So if we just put in like vacuum, we can find like different types of robot vacuum cleaner video. So if we click on this, so it will be really relevant to what you want to say. And then you can be adding like in text. You can have text here, change the color. So that's how this works. You can also add in different elements. So this could be shapes, static images. So let's say you want a rectangle for whatever reason, or make the text a bit more stand out. You can put it right here. Right click on it, sent backwards so the text is more visible, for example. So you can create something like this. So if you want to see the final output, you'll need to hit the export button, but you can also preview the video. So let's just preview this particular slide. So if we hit preview, it's going to generate. It'll take probably a few minutes. So I'll pause this video for now. So here's the preview of this video. As you can see, there are all watermarks around the image. And let's just hear it out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose the right robot vacuum cleaner for your home. Robot vacuums are amazing devices that can save you time and energy by cleaning your floors automatically.
Yeah, so I'm just going to stop that. I think you get the sense. If you want to preview how this looks like, that's really easy to do. But I think they probably need to limit the voice actor and the actual sound, because I have a female AI avatar and I'm actually using a male sound. I think they should be sort of restricting a female AI avatar just to limit with the female voice. I think that would be easier. So in this case, we will choose another voice actor. And we will probably go with the default one. So let's see what else we can do here. You can either upload your own image, your own video, or even the background music. And let's see if they do have music on this platform. So as you can see, all the elements are from Pexo. So it's image, shapes. I think it's pretty limited as well. And then you got videos. So you can search different types of videos that you want. But I don't think they've got like background music. I think that's something it's missing. Or if you guys know there are musics from this platform, then yeah, leave a comment down below. And I probably forgot to mention the settings button right here. So if you want to create YouTube videos, then obviously you want to use the landscape ratio. If you're doing like vertical videos like Instagram Reels, TikTok, those ones, then obviously you'll choose the portrait one. Or if you're doing like the Instagram one, then you can choose the square version. So the background, you can choose an image or a solid color or go transparent. And I think these are pretty much the features on Pipio. It's pretty straightforward, I think. So let's say I only have these two and I'm happy with it. I can hit export. And you can see it's been exporting right now. You'll get an email once it's done. So I'll just pause this video and come back later. So the video is now ready. I'm just going to play it for you to see how that sounds and how that really looks like with the final output.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose the right robot vacuum cleaner for your home.
So that sounds weird because it's a female, but then with a male voice. So let's skip to the second slide.
You need to think about the size of your house and the type of flooring you have. If you have a small house or apartment, you might want a compact and nimble robot vacuum that can fit into tight spaces and corners. If you have a large house with multiple rooms and floors, you might want a robot vacuum that has a large dustbin capacity and a long battery life.
So you can see on her hair, this part is sort of in different colors. So I think the best would be putting her like in a smaller size when she's talking, or just put a solid background at the back. I think that would be more pleasant to see. So I'm not trying to do like a comparison between Synthesia and Pipio, but the actors from Synthesia, the sort of the lightings, it's actually quite good.
In this module, You will learn about one of the most common methods of cybercrime, phishing.
So these are just sample videos, but I just want to kind of emphasize the point that the outfit, the lighting on Synthesia is actually better than the one from Pipio. So I think that's something hopefully Pipio will improve on in the future. So let's look at the pricing from their platform. So if you go with their plan, billed yearly is $20 a month. You'll get 25 video credits per month, access 34 digital actors. You'll get 150 plus digital voice, a lot of them from the Wellset Labs premium voice, 20 different unique languages. You'll get the output in 1080p, unlimited downloads. And I think there's another enterprise version, which is unlimited videos, creating your own digital avatars. You can go by monthly. Monthly is $25 a month. But at this time of this recording, they're actually on AppSumo. So we're now at the AppSumo website. Looking at their sales page, you can see previously the annual subscription. If we look at the average monthly cost, it'll be around $20 a month. But on AppSumo of this particular time, a very special limited offer within 7 days, they're offering at $49. And let's see what you get from the $49. So you get lifetime access to the platform, all future premium plan updates. And then if you want to add on like extra credits, it's cheaper. So I think if you buy extra credits on their website, it's slightly more expensive. Again, with all the digital voice, text-to-speech, unique languages, I think these are the same. So license tier 1 for $49, you're going to get 15 credits per month, unlimited downloads. Tier 2 is going to bump you up with 60 credits per month, unlimited downloads. Tier 3, I think that's the maximum plan. You get 120 credits per month. And then let's see how that credit system works. If we scroll down to their page, it says 1 video credit equals 1 minute of generated video. So if you are on tier 1, you get 15 minutes on tier 1 for 1 month, every month. So let's say that the first month you've used up all the credits, then you have to wait for next month while you purchase additional credits on their platform. So if you go all the way to tier 3, you'll get 120 minutes, which is 2 hours per month. So depending the type of videos you're making, whether it's like a sales page, that could be just a few minutes. But if you're doing like tutorials, those could be longer. You might want to stack up to a higher tier level. So let's see the type of reviews they're getting. I think overall the reviews are quite good. There's 90 reviews. Most of them I think are with 5 tackles. We got this one with one tackle, says can't go past on 1,000 characters per slide. And it's up to 5 slides maximum per project. It's not enough for a full video. I think it's a fair point because these type of AI avatar videos, the longer it is, it will be less engaging with your audience. I've tried this in my own 9-to-5 job, creating a really long video with just AI voice talking. You're not going to get a lot of engagement. So I think they're primarily good for short videos, whether it's doing Reels, TikToks. I think those are the ones will be quite good, or quick explainer, like a 3-minute video type of video. These tools would shine a bit more. So again, it's on AppSumo. There's only 7 days left. I think this is a pretty good tool to pick up. And if we look at their roadmap, so this is their public roadmap website. So you can see that these are the items that are in progress. You can see the numbers of people for voting for these features. So coming to the pipeline is more avatars, more user-friendly speech editing, avatar facial expression, gesture controls, full body avatars, new digital avatars. So I think there's lots going on. I think they're going to come up with APIs as well. Future with the 4K video export as well. Hopefully they will consider adding some of the other paid image royalty videos, because the one from Pexels might be limited, but I guess that's a price challenge, because if they are now absorbing a lot of lifetime deals, then they need to pay monthly fees for those video subscriptions. So overall, this is a pretty good tool. I think I will pick this up and then wait for some of the better features to be launched to use it for my business. So overall, I think they're a pretty solid solution. I think they just need to improve some of the customer support or the help, because on their platform, there's actually no way you can sort of see the help or like any sort of tutorial documentation on their product. Most of the time when you're using a software, they will actually have a bottom right corner with a chatbot or like some sort of tutorial help page, but this tool doesn't have that. So because the way it's really easy to use, that might be missing. But I think moving down the line, they should include like a help page or some sort of like chatbot that allows people to interact with the developer so they can make use of their tool. I've also tried to look them up on Facebook to see if they got any sort of communities, but I wasn't able to find anything on that. And yeah, again, not to compare with Synthesia, but Synthesia has a huge knowledge base, the tutorials on how to use their product. I think it's a very different size company, where Synthesia is really well funded already. I would guess that like Pipio is just getting started and it's a new startup. So hopefully that will give you a good idea of what Pipio does. The AI avatar text-to-speech, text-to-video software that you can generate. Easy to use. The price is not that bad with the AppSumo discount. So check that out if you're interested. Hopefully you found this video useful. I do spend my time to create this video. And if any of these videos was helpful, please give it a like and follow my channel for more future videos like this. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.